Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, it'll be really quick. I am working on a head called ENMAP World Selection Stage 2 Maps version 2 M2B. Um, Before we start our tutorial or qualification video today, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Moving on, you have a guideline for this one, but I am going to carry on with the qualification and I'll try to explain as much as I can. Okay, moving on. So we have here address query, and this is the address, so we have to judge geocode. I'm gonna go here with unimportant. Click submit. Now 10 hits to qualify, guys. So Lister Lane, Halifax. Lister will be the street name, and the street type will be lane. Uh-huh. Moving on to the next is detailed map of England. Place query. I'm gonna go here with um not a place query. I'm not sure if I got it right. It's unimportant. So we got one mistake already. Personal training. That is going to be category or product. Moving on is Perry place query. Perryville, Missouri. Zip code is this. So this is going to be not a place query for me. Hold on a sec. This is quite confusing. Yeah, I'll go with not place query. Wrong query portion subcategory. So this is the correct one. Okay, anyways, please take note of the error messages. Address query. So this is going to be the number, street name, street type. Southeast will be direction. Submit it. So two mistakes out of 10. Address query. Obviously, that's street number. This is going to be street direction, street name, and then this is place, street type. Moving on to the next one is this, another address query. Obviously that's an street number. Street name is this. Street type is road. Click submit. Moving on is map. That is going to be. Um, I'm gonna go here with unimportant. Yep, this is a place query. I believe this is a city. This is the admin. This is the postal code or zip. Submit it. Okay, interstate. That'll be the street name. No, interstate. Interstate is an interstate highway. I think it's that's. I'm not sure about this, but let's carry on. Yeah, interstate will be a street name, or rather, everything there is a street name. Let's agree to that. Wuhan, Hubei, China. That Wuhan will be the city. Hubei is the admin. Country is China. I hope we pass it. Whereas this is going to be unimportant. Yep. Um, HP. This one is a postal code. I hope we pass it. Uh, POI. Red Garden Cleveland College. This is going to be point of interest. Yep. Okay, we passed the qualification, guys. I mean, again, the name of the hit is EN Map World Selection Stage 2. I hope this video helps you out. I do apologize, I was not able to upload a lot of videos lately. I'm quite busy with work, and right now I am in the office. I'm try to speak you know as low as I can. So, anyways, you can join us in Facebook. Our group name is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Thank you again for watching the video and see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.